one of the most powerful hurricanes.
Ida hit Grand Isle at Category 4, heading for U.S.
The difference between a Category 1 storm and a Category 4, 330 times more powerful.
Known death toll 50, only in New York State. Floodings in railways, trains, highways, trucks. This town
has one way in and one way out, covered by water.
Cities, towns destroyed. States of emergency. We've never seen anything like this. Here comes the heroic rescue team for the aftermath of this devastating hurricane.
I mean, it's hard to watch.
That's our job if we work together.
But for the grace of God, go I.
Start that recovery process immediately. And build it back better.
And this is just the beginning.
When we get knocked down, we get right back up. And
classic example of what I'm talking about, resilience.
Thanks for watching Sunshine Vibes TV.